Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I have a 2015 Mini Cooper Countryman S-Type, and if you guys are looking for the battery, I'm going to show you guys where it is. So basically, come down here, open the hood, release the hood, and want to open the hood, and this is the release right here. So you want to push it up, just like that, and there it goes. That's the engine, and the battery is located right here. So you want to pop this up, you want to pry it up just like that, and the battery is just right here. Alright guys, if you guys like this content, please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. Okay guys, thank you.